Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the Jojo application to your Android TV, especially if you have Google Play Store installed. So what do you do? Make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So here's my Android TV, and if I want to install this application, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to my browser. Now as you can see on my Android TV, I don't have Google Play Store installed, but I have a browser. You can work with any browser that you have. It can be Chrome, can be Google, it can be a web browser, whatever browser you have, the process is still the same. Go over to your browser and then type the name of application that you want to search, which in this case is the Jojo app. So I'm just going to come over here and I type in Jojo app. Now, I'm not going to type in the whole application because I already have it in the suggestion here, which is Jojo app download. So you have to type in the whole of this Jojo app download. And once you click on it, you're going to see the options of what you're looking for. So for instance, this is what we are looking for, and this is the application that we were interested in. So this is here, and it is a web version of Google Play Store. Now in your case, you can just click over here and you can install the application without any issues. But most of the time, they're going to ask you to log into your Google. So just go over here. It's already on the web version. Even though that Google Play Store installed, we can still install it from here by just clicking install. If you click install your Android TV and it's your first time, they'll ask you to log into your Google Play Store or your Google account, which is quite simple. Just put in your email address and your password. Now, if this option doesn't work for you for whatever reason, what you can do, you can install the application from the official website of Jojo. So this is their official website, and even if still this doesn't work for you, you can browse down on this search result page and you see other suggestion options or other web places that you can install the application. These are third-party sources. Like for instance, you can install it from here, or you can install it from this other option here. And I believe the other options that you can choose, since it's your Android TV, all the time in the world, you can go through them all. But for me, the safest option is just to install it from the Google Play or the web version of Google Play, which is the one I have showed you in this video. So just come over here and click on the application, and you're going to get to install it from the web version of Google Play. As you can see, the application has been installed to my Android TV, and when I return to my apps, you're going to realize the application is already found there, even though I don't have a Google Play Store installed on my Android TV. So this is the application. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.